Hello guys and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man and this is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video we are going to be learning another logo vectorization on PixelLab. How you can create such logo you see on your screen now with PixelLab. Okay, this logo is a Netflix logo and I did it with PixelLab. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can do the same thing and how you can achieve the same thing that I achieve here using PixelLab. So this is what we're going to be learning in this video tutorial. So if this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share our video and let others learn from us too. Let's get started. Okay, first of all I need to get rid of the workspace and create a new workspace. Okay, and then I'm going to delete the new text on my screen. I'm going to import the image that we are going to be replicating. Okay, the reason I'm importing it because I want to pick the color palette, okay, from the image. I'm going to make it invisible, lock it. So now I have a new workspace here. I'm going to import the image I sketched. Here we have it. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity and then I'm going to lock it. So from here I'm going to start vectorizing. So just follow me up step by step like I always do it all the time. I'm going to make it a simple and easier video to follow up. Then let's see what we achieve at the end of the day. Thank you and let's get started now. Okay, this is the first step to take, and if you observe the Netflix logo, there is there is always a shadow here, and there is also a shadow here that makes it look like this is at the top of this one. So we are going to try to create such shadow effect on this logo, so it will look more of like Netflix logo. So I'm going to show how I do that. So I'm going to tap on my brush, my draw, and I'm going to click and select it. I'm going to reduce my pen size to around 5, okay, and then my blur to 12 or so. So I'm going to test this, see how it looks, then we can decide to blur more. So here we have it. So I'm going to zoom it to see the area I want to apply this on. So here I'll start hitting my shadows. So after this, now we are going to go here and then group them together, okay, as one object. Are you sure you want to merge them? Yes, we have to merge them. Then we have merged them together as one object. Now this is what we have, and then we can just turn this off to see the logo that we have sketched or vectorized at the end of this. So if you look very well, this look more of like a Netflix logo, right? So this is how to do it on PixelLab. On this video, we have learned how to vectorize logo like Netflix logo, and we also have learned how to add a real shadow effect on your logos or any image. Depends on your skills, okay? The more you practice this, the more you know. If this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video so that others will watch our content and learn from us too as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Goodbye from here.